on YouTube, and I'm gonna put it up on my website after. So I've actually got two cameras going right now. So you can see the rainbow inside, and we got this little chunk going right now. Now I'm gonna take like this. Pull it through my diz, which is my button. Thread it through. And it's just a process of pulling. Pull up and then push towards it. Pull up, push towards it. I've got this little picker thing to pick up like the stray hairs along the way. Make sure everything gets up off the carder. And I don't miss any scragglers. Pull and push. Pull and push. Pull and push and pull. It's just drafting it out and then pushing your diz forward, and you end up with a nice strand of roving with all the colors in it.
Molly. Huh?
Her car isn't here.
Oh.
How can she be here if her car isn't here? Come on, look.
She's gotta be here. I don't think she left.
I think she left because I saw.
I'm doing a video. Pull towards you. Push the diz towards the carder. And then I've got a bucket to catch it. And I'm going to be putting this up on YouTube. I will also be putting this up on my website, www.reservoirfibers.com. I'll most likely put it up on the main page or in the blog section for, yeah, I'll probably put it up in the blog section, actually. Or maybe I'll make a video section. It'll be up there, though. It'll be on my website. See, look how nice this looks. Can you see it? Looks pretty neat. Ooh. So yeah, you just keep doing this. You keep going around the hole until it's all off the carder. Pull back, push it forward, pull back. Use my little tool. Some people use a porcupine spike thing. I actually use a Fancy Kitty drum carder, Little Tom XL. It came with this little pick thing that I use to just get up the little fibers that stick. Just pick them up with that. You just do this continuously around the whole carder.
Can you make a tower with me? Can you make a tower?
Give me a second.
Pull back, push forward. Pull back, push forward. Pull back, push forward. Hope you guys can see this. Maybe if I turn it a little bit. So here we have this awesome strand going of roving. It's really pretty. Pull towards you, push forward. That's all you do. You just, it takes a little bit of getting used to once you start doing this, but once you get the hang of it, it's not all that hard. Just clay dizzes. Beware of clay dizzes, because I got a clay diz and the thing broke in my hands because I stressed it out way too much, trying to put too much fiber through the hole at once, so the thing just pretty much exploded in my hand. So I use a button right now until I get a new one, but a button is working pretty good because it's made out of plastic. But I'd use wood or like a metal or plastic one, but clay I'd tend to stay away from because those seem to break a lot. So just a FYI. But yeah, this is a great way to make roving. Any colors you want. This is a great way to make whatever yarn you want. Those rovings with multiple colors in them, this is a great way to make your own. This is all 16 micron merino wool. I got it from Arlene from Wild Wolf Farm. She dyed it all up for me, the whole rainbow. I get wool from her a lot. I love this wool. It's really nice. 16 micron. She had a sale on it, but she sells it for fairly cheap, so I would recommend it. It's really, really nice. I'll be putting up a spinning fiber section on my website, www.reservoirfibers.com, with all this stuff that I'll be making, all the bats and the roving and stuff that I'll be making now because of this drum carter. I'll definitely, well, yeah, I'll probably be selling this one, so if you want it, this one will most likely be up for grabs later once I weigh it and see how much it weighs. Might have a few braids here because this seems like it's a lot of fiber. But yeah, this is coming out really pretty, guys. I don't know if you can see. It's so pretty. And for those of you who are tuning in and don't know, this is spinning fiber that you use to spin yarn with. It's roving, made off of a drum carter, custom colors. And like I said before, this thing that I'm pulling it through is called a diz. I'm dizzing it off the carter, drafting it out, then pushing the button down towards it. And it's making this continuous length of roving. And you just do that the whole way around. And if all goes to plan, it will be one strand and I won't have to do nests at all. But we've got it going so far. We haven't broken it, so hopefully it keeps going that way. My drum carter is a fancy kitty. It's a Little Tom XL extra wide, fine tooth, 90/120. And it holds a good amount of fiber, I'll tell you that. It's a pretty large machine. Totally worth the buy, though. I'd recommend getting a fancy kitty if you've been thinking about getting a drum carter. These are great, and they hand make them for you. They take a few weeks to get to you. Mine took like 3 weeks, but they hand make them to order, which is pretty cool that they make them just for you. And they're really good quality, so I haven't had a problem with mine. I love it, so I would totally recommend it. I'll be doing more how-to videos, and I'll be putting those up on YouTube. And more live videos, which will obviously be on Facebook and possibly Instagram if I can get another camera going for that. But yeah, see how it's all coming off? Makes that continuous strand of roving. This looks really, really pretty. It's like a unicorn. See all those colors in there? I'm probably going to sell this, Melanie. I don't know if I'll make yarn out of it. Unless someone wants me to make yarn out of it and buy it, then I'd love to spin it for them, but I would like to sell the fiber if I could, but I don't know. We'll see. I have more of it, so I could spin this for somebody and then I could make another bat to sell.